Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 78, Constructions, Section A, Easy. Let's start. Now the questions in these chapters are very big, so you'll have to have patience. Given below are steps of constructions of triangle ABC with side BC 6, angle B 60, angle A 105 and triangle, see here, this is second. There are two triangles to be drawn. One is triangle ABC and second is a triangle whose sides are 3 by 2 times the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Means there is one more triangle to be drawn. Right? There are two triangles to be drawn. Which of the following steps of constructions is incorrect? Okay. Now these are the steps. See here, as we read the question, we'll start drawing. Okay. Step 1. Draw BC equals to 6 centimeters. Say this, drawn BC 6 centimeters. Then at B construct CBX 60 and at C BCY 180 minus 60 minus 105. Why this minus 60 minus 105? Because see here, the triangle is BCA we want, right? So A angle is 105. B is 60. So C will be what? 105 plus 60 and 180 minus the total. So it is 15. So that's why 15. So construct these two angles. Okay. See, these are constructed. This is 60, this is 15. Right? And they intersect at A. Now wait for some time. Before going to step 3, imagine. See here. There were two triangles to be drawn. First is done, ABC. Now we want a second triangle which is similar to triangle ABC but bigger in size. Right? So similar to triangle ABC means what? The other triangle should be similar looking, means these angles should be acute. B, C and this A also, these should be acute, right? None of the angles should be obtuse. Now the other triangle we can draw it over here, anywhere or on this side also. The best way is draw it on the opposite side, means below side. Okay. Now we'll go to step 3. Construct an obtuse angle CBZ. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.